This festive season, enjoy cooking meals while conserving the environment using Ebenezer energy saving stove, which use volcanic stones for heating and cooking your meal as fast as you can. The stove also comes with an addition of a solar and lights. These can be for home or commercial use, and they are at a discount, for these stoves are proudly made in Uganda. For more information on how to access us, please contact us on the addresses on your screen, and do not miss out on this opportunity.
I'm internationally certified, and it is so sad that the tools that I'm using, and I cannot be able to maximally utilize the knowledge that I have just because of lack of tools. So if there was any way that I can be able to be supported to get maybe the right equipment, then we can be able to do the right jobs at better quality, and of course at a better price for our clients, because you take less time, so cost of production becomes low and you don't overcharge your clients.
So Siraj, the number of ways in which you can resolve this problem. Number one, obviously commercial banks. The challenge with commercial banks is that they request for too many requirements, and sometimes the interest rates are just too high. The second way is that you can try to look at alternatives. There are impact funds that can give you more patient capital, and some of them offer equipment on a leasehold kind of scheme. So they offer you the equipment, and then you agree, you repay back after periods. The other way is to look at the different opportunities that government has put in place, most especially UDB right now. UDB tends to fund very big projects, but they are trying to look at ways of supporting smaller businesses. The important thing here is that every funder wants to see how much are you able to pay per month. So when you earn we have talked about turnover. After you've taken off money, you need to buy the things to offer that product. And after you've paid your staff, you've paid your taxes and everything, how much money do you have left to repay the loan? So this is, for most lenders, that will be the issue. And we can try to work with you in a range of programs. Right now, we have a collaboration with GIZ is offering support to SMEs. What we are going to do is to offer that linkage role to different partners who can help.